Ecwid with eBay Dropshipping Review, Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Ecwid and eBay Dropshipping tools are available in the description below. In this video, we'll be reviewing how Ecwid integrates with eBay for dropshipping, looking at the platform's features, strengths, weaknesses, and who it's best suited for. Let's get right to it. Ecwid is an e-commerce platform that stands out for its simplicity and ease of use. When paired with eBay, it provides an accessible way for sellers to manage their dropshipping business across multiple channels. With Ecwid, you can seamlessly list your products on eBay, sync inventory, and handle order management from a single dashboard. You also have access to Ecwid's built-in payment solutions, marketing tools, and shipping options, making it easy to run an efficient online store while focusing on growing your business. One of the biggest strengths of Ecwid with eBay dropshipping is its user-friendly interface. It's perfect for beginners or those who prefer a more straightforward setup. Ecwid also offers integration with various dropshipping suppliers, making it easy to add products to your store and automate order fulfillment. Its mobile responsiveness ensures you can manage your store on the go, and the eBay integration allows you to reach a large global customer base. Additionally, Ecwid offers a free plan with essential features, making it a great option for those just starting out. On the downside, Ecwid may not offer the same level of advanced customization and scalability as other platforms like Shopify or BigCommerce. For more advanced features, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan, which can add to your overall costs. The eBay integration is also somewhat limited compared to more specialized eBay dropshipping tools, and syncing between platforms can sometimes be tricky. Ecwid with eBay is ideal for small-scale dropshippers, beginners, or anyone looking for an easy-to-use, budget-friendly solution for selling on eBay. If you're just starting out or prefer a simple approach to managing your business, this setup is a great choice. However, for those looking to scale or needing more complex features, you might want to explore other platforms. That wraps up this review. For more details, check out the links in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more dropshipping insights.